Hello, trading is closed on August 19th, 2014, and I'm Tennant. I thought yesterday's action was basically positive, but I made no formal prediction for today. We had some failed targets from July 29th. One was 1981.38. These levels are support resistance levels, and that was hit on the nose at the close. We have one higher failed target. It's 1984.86. There's nothing requiring it to print tomorrow, but we're so close that it wouldn't surprise me. We'll come back to that number in just a minute. For today, mejt said here there was a buy. The minimum target was pretty close, but we didn't stop at the minimum. The old target from July 29th was identified. There's resistance over it. mejt says the rally that came late in the day is a false move. Gives us a target of 1980.70, most likely to print tomorrow. That's really under one handle away from the close, so it doesn't really offer us a trade at current prices. Let's take a look at the long-term picture. We have a target close to where we closed. We have another target also close to where we closed, and each one's a support resistance level. One of the trading rules I have is that when you have a sloping trend line that gets broken in a straight line, we tend to retrace to the trend line, because the break of this blue trend line met DeMark's criteria. I thought that my rule wouldn't work, and I should have stuck to my guns, but I didn't. We are now awfully close to this trend line, and if we hit it, expect resistance. On the 78-minute chart, we have a 913.9 sell signal from Tom DeMark. These haven't been working perfectly, but it would be nice if that one did. This is the daily chart. The mejt target, the failed target, is 1984.86. The TDST line right over here is 1984.85, essentially the same price. You can anticipate strong resistance at and just beyond that price. We have 6 bars out of 9 of a sell setup on the daily chart. DeMark's rules say if we get all 9 bars, and if they go through this line, the pattern should go to completion, which means 13 more bars, not necessarily consecutively heading upward. They can occur in a consolidation, but usually it occurs in a good rally. That means if the rally continues 3 days longer, the DeMark sell signal is going to be in real trouble on the daily chart. I would have to throw it out the window. Well, let's look at some other stuff. This is the percentage of stocks which have a favorable chart pattern over their moving average. And although the market is close to new highs, the percentage of stocks participating took a big dive and has not recovered. That's not a healthy sign, and usually isn't the way the market goes to new highs. So the call for tomorrow is that we have a target of 1980.70. It wouldn't surprise me if we also saw 1984.86 and saw resistance just at or over that level. And if the scenario that the market has topped out is going to work, if that level is hit, we should see a reversal within 3 days. And that's today's call.